Hi guys and welcome to my channel, in case you missed it. In today's video we will learn about the 5 lesser known shortcuts of MS Excel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Let's begin. You might already be familiar with some of the standard keyboard shortcuts for Excel, such as entering in data from the cell above. But these 5 less well-known Excel shortcuts will enable you to work with your spreadsheet like a pro. So let's begin without further delay. Shortcut 1. Spell check. Excel is a tool for crunching numbers, but your files probably still contain some text. To quickly verify your spelling and avoid any embarrassing mistakes, simply press F7 and Excel will highlight wrong spellings. Shortcut 2. Control plus apostrophe. Simply press Control plus apostrophe if you want to duplicate the formula in a cell above. Shortcut 3. Strike through. Ever want to cross out text? Highlight a cell and hit Ctrl plus 5 key to add strike through formatting. Simple, isn't it? Shortcut 4. Auto sum. Use Alt plus equals key to automatically sum the values above rather than filling out a sum or subtotal equation. And now the last and my favorite shortcut, Shortcut 5. Save as. Instead of going to File and then selecting Save As to save your spreadsheet, just hit F12 in. Bingo! You'll be prompted to enter in a name for your file. Use these shortcuts and become the Excel superhero of your office. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more useful Excel shortcuts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.